My name is Jerry Bennett and I'm a retired member of the RCMP since 2003. I'm a volunteer with Habitat for Humanity. This is an annual event and there are 6 other sites that one can visit today. The money raised today will go towards helping to pay for a new build for homes for people that qualify to get a home from Habitat for Humanity. And presently there is a very large build going on in eastern Ottawa, Orleans. It's a multi-structure build and it will be ready sometime in late fall this year.
Sure, that'd be helpful. Thank you so much.
I like the wallpaper. Love the wallpaper. My husband hates wallpaper.
This is our first stop, and we read a news article in the newspaper, and I told my husband that we wanted to get some ideas for our house. So one of the reasons that we came out today is the Habitat for Humanity. The tickets, the donations were going towards that charity, and I think it's a great charity to be part of. They have a beautiful basement. Although it took them 3 months, it's a beautiful job. And upstairs, the bathroom is spectacular. Although it's old-looking tiles, it's really romantic and quite beautiful. I like the decor, the colors that they use. Definitely a beautiful place with heated floors. All in all, a really beautiful, beautiful style and workmanship.
If you'd like more details on this annual event, it's just a matter of going and checking out the website at the bottom of this video.